South Africa, the very name evokes images of vast savannas teeming with life, towering mountains pierce the sky, the air vibrates with the energy of ancient rhythms. This is a land of breathtaking beauty, it's a land of contrasts, it's a land of vibrant cultures. From the rolling hills of the Eastern Cape to the bustling streets of Johannesburg, South Africa is a tapestry woven from the threads of diverse tribes. Each tribe brings its own unique flavor to the national identity. The Zulu, known for their warrior spirit and intricate beadwork. The Xhosa, with their distinctive click language and rich storytelling tradition. The Sotho, renowned for their blanket artistry and agricultural prowess. The Ndebele, celebrated for their brightly colored houses and intricate beadwork. These are just a few of the many cultures that make South Africa so unique. But South Africa's story is not just one of cultural diversity, it's also a story of resilience, of overcoming adversity, of triumph over tragedy. And at the heart of this story are the iconic leaders who have shaped the nation's destiny. Nelson Mandela, the father of the nation, who emerged from the depths of prison to lead South Africa to democracy. Desmond Tutu, the archbishop who fought tirelessly for justice and reconciliation. These are just two of the many giants who have walked this land and left an indelible mark on its history. South Africa is a land where tradition and modernity collide, where ancient customs are celebrated alongside cutting-edge innovation. This fusion is most evident in the country's vibrant arts and culture scene. The music of South Africa is a testament to its diversity. From the soulful rhythms of mbaqanga to the infectious beats of kwaito, South African music has captured the hearts of people around the world. Miriam Makeba, Hugh Masekela, Johnny Clegg. These are just a few of the musical icons who have brought the sounds of South Africa to a global audience. But it's not just music that thrives in South Africa. The country has also produced world-renowned writers, poets, and artists. Nadine Gordimer, J.M. Coetzee, Athol Fugard. These literary giants have explored the complexities of South African society with depth and nuance. Their words have resonated far beyond the country's borders, earning them international acclaim and cementing South Africa's place on the global literary map. The struggle against apartheid is a defining chapter in South Africa's history. It's a story of courage, sacrifice, and ultimately triumph. For decades, the oppressive system of racial segregation cast a long shadow over the land, denying basic human rights to the majority of its citizens. But even in the darkest of times, the spirit of resistance never died. From the Defiance Campaign of the 1950s to the Soweto Uprising of 1976, ordinary South Africans rose up against injustice, demanding equality and an end to oppression. The world watched in awe as a nation stood up to its oppressors, fueled by an unyielding belief in the inherent dignity of all human beings. The struggle against apartheid was not confined to South Africa's borders. Across the globe, people of conscience rallied to the cause, boycotting South African goods, imposing sanctions, and demanding an end to the racist regime. Musicians, artists, and athletes used their platforms to raise awareness and put pressure on governments to isolate South Africa. The long walk to equality. The dawn of democracy in 1994 marked a watershed moment in South Africa's history. The world held its breath as Nelson Mandela, once a political prisoner, was inaugurated as the country's first black president. It was a moment of immense joy and hope, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human desire for freedom. However, the journey towards a truly equitable society has been long and arduous. The legacy of apartheid continues to cast a long shadow over the nation, manifesting in persistent economic inequalities and social challenges. The scars of the past run deep, and the process of healing and reconciliation is ongoing. Despite these challenges, South Africa has made remarkable progress in a relatively short space of time. The government has implemented various policies aimed at redressing the imbalances of the past, such as black economic empowerment and affirmative action. While these policies have been met with mixed reactions, they reflect a commitment to creating a more just and equitable society. A nation forged in unity. Amidst the complexities of its past and the challenges of the present, South Africa has demonstrated an extraordinary capacity for unity and reconciliation. Time and again, the nation has shown its ability to come together, transcending racial and cultural divides in moments of shared national pride and purpose. One such moment was the 1995 Rugby World Cup, hosted by South Africa just a year after its first democratic elections. The Springboks, once a symbol of apartheid, became a unifying force as people from all walks of life rallied behind the team, inspiring a nation and capturing the world's imagination. Then, in 2010, South Africa hosted the FIFA World Cup, the first time the tournament was held on African soil. The nation erupted in celebration, united in its love of football and its pride in showcasing the best of Africa to the world. The tournament was a resounding success, leaving a lasting legacy of infrastructure development and a renewed sense of national pride. Ubuntu, the spirit of togetherness. At the heart of South Africa's resilience lies a profound philosophy known as Ubuntu. Loosely translated, Ubuntu means humanity towards others. It's a belief in the interconnectedness of all people, a recognition that we are all bound together by a shared humanity. Ubuntu is more than just a word, it's a way of life. It's about compassion, empathy, and respect for others. It's about recognizing that our own well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of those around us. In a country with a history as complex and fraught as South Africa's, Ubuntu is not just a nice idea, it's an essential ingredient for building a just and equitable society. From the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, which provided a platform for victims and perpetrators of apartheid-era crimes to seek forgiveness and healing, to the countless acts of kindness and generosity displayed by ordinary South Africans every day, Ubuntu is woven into the fabric of society. It's a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can triumph. A future painted with hope. South Africa's journey is far from over. The nation continues to grapple with the legacies of its past while navigating the complexities of the present. But amidst the challenges, there is a palpable sense of hope, a belief that a brighter future is within reach. The youth of South Africa, born free from the shackles of apartheid, are a constant source of inspiration. They are vibrant, dynamic, and determined to build a nation that lives up to the promise of its democratic ideals. They are the inheritors of a rich and complex legacy, and they are shaping the future of South Africa with their energy, creativity, and unwavering belief in a better tomorrow. South Africa's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the power of hope, and the enduring belief in the possibility of a better world. It's a story that continues to unfold, captivating the world with its complexities, its challenges, and its triumphs. And as South Africa continues on its journey, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of a continent, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can overcome any obstacle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when we've uploaded a new video. Until next time.